Transform one-time customers into devoted patrons by effortlessly integrating subscription choices into your Shopify store. Begin by navigating your Shopify admin. Head over to the App section, where we will unlock the potential of your recurring revenue stream. Within the Shopify App Store, perform a search for subscriptions. A variety of applications will appear, all designed to manage recurring billing, subscriber inventory, and customer portals. Review the presented options, giving careful consideration to features such as seamless integration with your existing products, adaptable subscription plan structures, and the level of customer support offered. Select the application that best aligns with your specific business requirements. After making your selection, click Add App to commence the installation process. You will be prompted to authorize the necessary permissions for the app to function. Following installation, the app will guide you through its unique setup procedure. This typically involves defining your subscription plans, such as monthly, quarterly, or annual intervals. The next step involves linking these subscription plans to your existing products. You have the flexibility to designate entire products as subscription-only or present them as a subscription option alongside a standard one-time purchase. Now, your customers can conveniently select their preferred subscription frequency directly on your product pages, ensuring a fluid and intuitive purchasing journey. The subscription app will provide an accessible customer portal, empowering your subscribers to effortlessly manage their recurring orders, update payment details, or even postpone an upcoming delivery. By incorporating subscriptions, you are not merely selling products. You are cultivating a dependable and predictable revenue stream for your Shopify store, fostering enduring customer relationships and driving long-term business growth.